How to private your Instagram following list. So if you want to private your Instagram following list, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your profile and go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And before making your following list private, you need to make sure that your account is not public, or you don't have a professional account or a business account, because those accounts can't be private. So first you need to go with creator tools and controls, and after that just scroll down, go with switch account type, and then switch your account to a personal account. After switching your account to a personal account, you can go with settings and activity. Under that you can go with account privacy, and here you need to toggle on the option of private account. Once you turn on the option of private account, then your problem will be fixed. It will private your Instagram following list. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.